Di ko pansin ang kislap.
Yeah.
Ngiti mo kapiling kasinta. Kahit liwanag ng buwan sa
Bongo.
ko masisinta. Isa lang ang naghahaligala sa mundo. Tanging ikaw ang liwanag sa buhay.
Started out as strangers, living our own lives until we see each other supporting the same person named Enrique Marie Bacayil, simply known as Enrique and simply known as Ken. And that's when the friendship started. How's the Enrique-Licious banding with or without Ken? With Ken, every time we see, it feels like it's the first time we've met. We're always starstruck. We love to see you sing in front of us. You are the best songer ever. Every time you dance, everybody's shouting, and honestly, we're all singing. We love those facial expressions that you, the one, can only do. Without you, Ken, we are really banded, just a family. We are so close to each other that no one could ever beat the band. Love that we shared with one another. We watch movies, eat together, and share different stories as well. We're really best friends. That's why we're thanking you, Ken, for all of this. Actually, wala naman tong Enrique-Licious kundi dahil sa'yo. Wala kaming best friends ngayon kung walang Ken. Thanks for everything, Ken. Thanks for the love and appreciation that you never fail to show. You've always been our inspiration and will always be. We love every single thing about it. Just stay the same because we Enrique-Licious loves you for who you are. We're always here to support and love you. For the love. Thank you, Ken. Happy 4th year anniversary, everyone. Yes! Yes!
Hi guys, as you can see, nandito tayo sa Sigis ngayon. Kasama ang
Enrique-Licious! Special kami.
Sabi ko lang, ikaw tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sinta. Sa awards, sa anytime na nakita ko kayo, parang talaga sila. And kayo rin sobrang sa kayo, salamat sa memories, lahat ng times na kasama tayo. And lalagay sa part ko ng mga MVP mo rin.
Fourth year!
First year, guys!